Hi! Mite beni hutayeni ne merenowa. Nke kanje bidoye. Achọrọ m ngosi unu vidiyo na jekunu mere. Ha wada butene chere ngosi m n'ihe na. Asịrị never swindle a Ghanaian mortuary man. Mortuary bụkwa ndị na-edereke ndị nwụchara. Achọrọ m ngosi vidiyo na. Ịmakwanụ na ndị mmadụ ewu oshi nkwanye ugwu. Mgbe anyị ka dị n'ụmụ ya aka m jinere ya hụ ozi ka mụ na na-ekwu na aka m na ozi nwere. Mana na-ekwe ka apara ozi ma datri gomgom ka gwongworo. Never swindle a Ghanaian mortuary man. Na-asị na onye wụhara akwụghị ụgwọ ndị be ya akwụghị ụgwọ bịa vụrụ ozi. Ha ga-ebe a na-eyi para ozi n'isi muvu. Chere ngosi ngo vidiyo na achọ m nkwukwu oke okwu n'ọbụna ya awụrụ m obumriwa m.
The tears had barely dried up, but the body of their loved one had to be buried anyway. But not so fast. Two mortuary men appeared and removed the body from its coffin at the cemetery over the failure of the bereaved family to pay about $33 as undertaking charges.
And they said they don't pay him. He said they don't pay him. No pay. 1.5, you no pay. Yes, out for you. But he said they come now. You run away. You run away. You can't nobody go. I don't know. That's my brother. They give you the money. Say no. Oh, commissioner, I go feel that card. I don't. So back, right now, what is the problem? Oh, he said he will pay me. I said the last person they do a fight in the very house. You won't go peace. Everyone knows how warrior. Oh, bros.
Some sympathizers intervened and paid part of the money to the men after negotiating with them. The body was returned to the coffin.
Oh, what's up? We'll do everything. Just go where we propose to make you bigger. If we pass ourselves, our team. Just say they take them up to the PC.
One important warning is never swindle a Ghanaian mortuary man. But this warning came rather too late. Eunice Jario.
The mortuary people get by use pyros move. They can punish Hey! $33. You joke we can't nego. Hey! I wanna see Jainum. The sauce of Mama quiet one, okay. Buy your what because oh my make we buy. Dear my make we buy. The buy you will son. The buy you will son of baby and you come and make the buy. Well, I put your pam and take on I can actually come up on no. Makwam untashi mupya amakwam nunu manage cage mukanya tawaga una yabuye kanjo amamno yabuye akboge uzo share mnafuweshi ototunde kad very scared ototunde afo mani nafu kwa kechikwe imi okay inafu kwa netowo ya oye wa yi biye ge keep price tena kwa no yino na ni ne tanwa bwadala takulagala abo ye chineke nemere yoma tale kwa